Hello everyone, this is Dr. Bo from Dr. Bo Career Booster. This is part 2 of 5 steps to get yourself promoted at work. Part 2 is about chart your path to the next level. So, in order to chart your path to the next level, the first exercise I would recommend is actually do a thorough analysis of where you are and identify the gaps. Use my own partner promotion as an example. One of my mentors recommended this exercise to me. She suggested me take a look of the criterion for managing director, which where I was 2 years ago, versus the criterion of a partner, which is the next level I was trying to get promoted to. What is the major difference between the two levels? What are the biggest jump on the criterions? And then map myself against the partner criterion and see where are my strengths and where are my weaknesses. And so I did it in an Excel sheet, list all the criteria for partner and list out the examples to supporting my strong qualification for each one of them. So after that exercise, it was quite clear to me that I was very strong on the business performance as well as delivering the results. But I was a little bit weak on the perspective and a vision on a firm-wide initiative because I was holding a regional role. I didn't have that many opportunities to work on initiative like that. In the next 3 to 6 months, I look for opportunity like this and I seize the opportunity to lead a working group discussion for a firm-wide diversity and inclusion policy, and which is a very beneficial process, not only improving myself, but also contributing to the firm-wide policy. That also become one of the highlights for my partner promotion review. After you've done a good self-analysis, I highly recommend you to reach out to your mentors, direct managers, people who are close to you, on their perception on how far are you away from next promotion. Are there any visible gaps in their perspective? It's always important to check other people's perception on you, and so you know where you stand. They might see things that you don't, and they might see the strengths that you haven't highlighted, or they might see the weakness you haven't realized. It's important to ask for feedback. As well, they will ask for help from them to help you develop those areas. With a good self-analysis and people around you give you a good feedback, it's a time to chart your path to the next level. Lay out your timelines. Do you feel you're 6 months away, or 12 months away, or 24 months away? And get that aligned with your managers and developing your checking point and milestones. Once you establish the timeline and what are the checking points, what are the milestones, and what are new skills that you need to acquire in this time frame. Set up some checking session with your manager, and this is where you said, I need to gain more quantitative skills. I have done that, how you feel. I need to gain more experience working with people across different divisions. Here's a project I did. How do you feel about my capability of working across the different groups? Well, besides the timeline, there is an important question you need to ask yourself. Does your current position support you to go to the next level or accelerate your path to the next level? It's a very important question, and many people may tell you, yes, in any position you can get to any level. That's a question only you can answer yourself. If so, great. Continue to do a great job in your current position. If that's not the case, it's time for you to look around within the same company, see do you have another opportunity to, in a different group, in a different business, that will give you the skill sets or the qualifications that get to the next level. I hope after this video, you will invest the time in yourself and to chart a clear path for you to the next level. And once that's done, And stay tuned. Please subscribe to the channel. We'll talk about how to find sponsors and mentors to help you get there.